Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video I'm going to show you how to fix your Beats Studio buds not charging. So this is going to be particularly useful for individuals who are having trouble charging their Beats Studio buds. What can you actually do? Now I ran into this issue myself, and I'll show you the 3 different solutions that I tried when it came to trying to fix the charging on my Beats Studio buds. So the first thing that you want to do is that you want to inspect the adapter that you're using. So fully inspect the adapter that you're using that's in charge your Beats Studio buds. Make sure there's no faulty things with the adapter. The second thing that you want to do is that you actually want to inspect the Type-C USB-C cable. So that's this cable right over here, and likewise with the adapter, you want to make sure that there's no faulty wiring with the wire. Inspect the entire wire itself, making sure that everything is in contact. Now, aside from just working on your Beats Studio buds, the last thing that I checked was that it was actually due to a faulty outlet, meaning that one of my outlets within my home were not working, so that's the reason why these were not able to charge. Now, if everything looks good, and what you can do next is that you can make sure that both your earbuds are placed within inside the case, and then this center button here, you want to press and hold it until it blinks red and white. So that usually takes about 15 seconds or so to actually go ahead and reset it. And so what we're doing is an actual full reset of your Beats Studio buds. So what this is going to do is that it's going to reset it to its default settings, and it's also going to disconnect it from any other devices. So as you can see, it's now blinking red and white. So you'll go ahead and let go, and then that right there has reset your Beats Studio buds. So that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and fix issues with your Beats Studio buds not charging. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.